First and foremost, ensure that you've set up your family on Apple Family Sharing with both parent and minor children's phones. Please go to Apple Support for instructions on how to create a family sharing group if you haven't done so already. You will need both a parent and child phone to complete the SafeZone setup process. This tutorial explains how to set up the parent phone. The next tutorial will demonstrate setting up the child's phone. Download the SafeZones app on the parent's phone. You'll receive a 14-day free trial with no obligation. At the end of the 14 days, you'll get to choose a subscription option. You'll receive a few prompts to properly configure the SafeZone system. Select Allow, and then agree to the privacy policy. Sign in as adult using your Apple sign-in credentials. We're now going to create your SafeZones family. Name your SafeZones family. Select Add Child, enter their name, and tap Add Security PIN. Set the security PIN, enter it twice, and save. Select Add Child. A QR code will appear on the parent phone that will be used to pair with your child's phone. The QR code will remain active for 30 minutes. Please see our next tutorial to set up your child's phone.